Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Search the Menus feature in Google Vids. So if you're in your Google Vids edit page and you're editing a video, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see this magnifying glass. And if you hover over it, it will say Search the Menus. And basically what this does is if there's a feature or a command that you want to use, but you don't really remember what menu item it's under, was it under insert or scene or whatever, you can click on the magnifying glass, and if you know what you want, you can just start typing it in. So let's say I wanted to split the screen at the playhead. I could just start typing split, and this is a menu option. It happens to be under scene, but if you don't remember that, you can just type it in, and when you click on this, it will just do what split scene at playhead does, and it's a lot faster than looking through the menus if you don't really remember where stuff is in the menus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.